Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your profile photo of your server on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here and now click settings, and now as you see here you'll find it here. Now you can choose from gallery or from photos, and that's it. That's how to change your profile server photo. Easy and quick, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.